Alright guys, well I moved my cable router into the shack, which is just behind the house anyway, so I think everything should be fine, but I noticed that my Wi-Fi hotspot didn't work anymore. Well, actually, should I be calling it a Wi-Fi hotspot? No. My DMR hotspot. And so, I'm waiting for it to boot up right now, but I'm on hose line. I went on hose line to see, well what's going on? Is there just nothing happening? Because the radio doesn't really let you know that you're not connected. So I have an older mmdvm on a Pi Zero, and it looks like it should be nice to invert the screen. I can read it from here. It looks like it says initializing. Anyway, what's cool about the hotspot, if you can see it from where you're at, is it will tell you who's on, regardless of whether or not you've downloaded the database to your radio. So I guess I'll probably just go ahead and flip it around like this. It still shows that it's idle. I'll probably like just shove it up in here, and it can just like sit here. As long as I can keep it from falling out. I just heard the radio chirp, so we can see VV3 something anyway. But I've used it on other stuff. Anyway, so there it is there going. I don't know what I'm listening to on here because I'm sure not hearing it on here.
Give us health, Jason. I'm really glad that I'm having this QSO with you. Obviously, English is not my first language.
So my hotspot has more delay than hose line. I called it hose link.
I have some trouble understanding English, for example, from Scotland. It's kind of hard from the English speaker, but it's all good with Wales and the rest of the UK, I believe. All right, Jason, thank you very much for the QSO. I hope to catch you again in the future.
So on the Brandmeister network,
I'd like to say good night to you.
you have the hose line. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, cool.
Mike Whiskey 0, Juliet Yankee Yankee, Alpha Uniform 1, Juliet.
So these are all the popular talk groups. If they have this little thing here, it means somebody's on there, and it shows you how long they've been talking for.
MW0JY7. Yeah, your English is absolutely perfect. Yeah, it's better than a lot of Welsh people's. Very good, very good. Scottish is very difficult to understand.
Scottish.
First language English.
Mike ought to like that one.
English speaking people. So, yeah, I do understand that.
Anyway, we'll put the router over here. What I noticed is this router has a couple different ports on it, and this is the typical one they give you from Fartlight. And this is supposed to be a 2.5 gigaport, and it is horrible. It doesn't work well. So I had to put it on this port. And also, what I also noticed is, on average, my phone seems to get a faster speed. And then the actual deal. So this is an average speed on this. I'm seeing up to 17 megabits per second on my phone, but not on the Ethernet connection. I don't know what's up with that, but this should definitely help the live streams for sure. So anyway, I've been using the OBS Studio. I really don't like the delay that it has, but it allows me to stream vertically, where I can show up in the shorts feed and do all that fun stuff. So basically I would click this, and I need to come back into here. I need to order the cable for this thing. Another annoying thing that I get if I don't actually go and click on the GoPro webcam software, it won't work on here. I wish these guys would turn their damn audio down. Like, I get one guy I can hardly hear. Another guy's just screaming in here. So anyway, the resolution that I get out of this GoPro Hero 9 is not that good. God, these guys are obnoxious. They cannot figure out how to get their audio tailored. I can't even hear the other guy now. So anyway, this thing is real funky about how it wants to work. I click on this, and that starts the virtual camera, allow me to stream in this mode. And we're gonna move this up here, and we'll move it over a little bit. Okay. Now, I had another capture that we can go here and add a source. We do, let's see, I'll do a display capture, and we'll try that and see. Okay, so now we could go ahead and do that. We'll move that over here. We need to short it up a little bit, and it kind of allows you to see what I'm seeing at the same time. We need to bring it down there. Alright. So with this here, you can see what I'm seeing. Now, I had this configured before, and my stuff was showing up over here, and then over here too, but it didn't really want to work. So we have screen capture here, which would be kind of interesting to just use. That way, like if I want to go in here and go, hey, look, this is what I'm seeing on Amazon. I'm looking at this digi-rig and whatever. You guys are going to see that. But without the proper microphones, you're not going to hear me. And so the ones that I have are very, very directional. So I haven't figured out exactly how I want to do that, but and then you could just come in here, and I think it's probably this one. You just go like that with whichever one. Oh, it's right here. And it just goes away. So if you do that, you can just get rid of it. The OBS Studio is cool, but man, it's kind of, it seems to glitch for me. So like, watch, I'm going to start my stream. Okay, stream all vertical outputs. It's probably going to give me an error right here. And even though that error is there, it is streaming right now. If we come into here and look at my live stream over here, eventually it'll show up. Okay, like right now it's just 21 seconds. In a short amount of time, so we go here, it will display into here, and I'll be able to see the chats in here. See, it's right here. And so right now you can actually see where I'm at on my screen here. Well, if I was to like minimize this page, open another page, I could maybe kind of see what's going on. I don't know if there's a way to like just capture like the browser page. What I actually would need is multiple monitors to really see what the hell I'm doing. But as far as all the rest of the stuff goes, we would get it all going like that. And I guess my radio is not plugged in. I've been working on some other stuff. Anyway, So it says we have one concurrent user. It's really kind of funky, but the goal here is that we want to be able to stream in the vertical position so that more people find the stream and the channel grows and gets more subscribers, because then people can see it in the shorts feed. And so this is basically the setup that I've been using, and I've been just kind of trying to keep things nice and orderly, and definitely cutting down on the amount of radios. There's only 4 radios up here, so I don't want it complicated. The one thing that I don't like is I really don't like the operating position on this side. I prefer it over here where the 710 is. It allows me a little bit more room to work because my tuner's down here, my amplifier is over there, and I'm left-handed. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you guys and just let you know what I've been up to. So I'm sure it's super exciting. So we'll catch you later.